drama after drama with Bucks Camp documentary. I don't know what's your take about the first episode of Bucks Camp, especially the fight between Coach Wadu and Lapana Tito Masanganye. And there's one thing Utita show Lapana Uguti, the coach has been on him ever since he arrived at the team. Is it a case of Ugutu Coach Wadu demands a lot from Utito Masanganye, and he knows Uguti Utito has potential to be a great player, and maybe best about Utito Uguti naye as a player akafuna ukupushwa kakhulu, he prefers naye to be given a sense of freedom akhona na ukudlala kahle yabo. So like what's your thoughts about the whole story ska coach Wadu na lapha ke Utito Maswanganye?
Utito Maswanganye nguyona problem. If uyibhekelele before le season, last season ka Jose Rivero, Utito had a problem even there, and with some players. Utito lokho eklachana yena dressing room nabantu. Masingasitholi le story now kuWadu, but let's also go back to lama episode ka Rivero. Utito had a problem there. All of a sudden Utito also une problem kuWadu. Utito uthi ukhona lapha sikhona, ever since this person came, uawuthi akancane akangifuni une problem nami. Kanti ku Rivero, what happened? Ku Jose Rivero was a similar situation. Utito, I believe ukuthi he's a bully at dressing room. He wants things to be done ngendlela yena afuna ngayo, and yena akafuna ukutshelwa. Now masingabuyisa ibheke kule episode edlalile. Lapha ya kula season eyayidlala dressing room kuWadu, I mean ku Rivero, incident ebiso ibikhona, and Utito was involved in the incident. Aske sibuye nisikhumbule emuva bafethu, Utito nguye one problem, nguye one problem.
Ekseba mfethu umene red disk here, yazi ngiqeda ukubuyisha andislepa kaneya Utito la xabana khona no coach Wadu. Lento mfethu mekuthi niyanotice yaqala kule game eSundowns eLucas Moripe le yeMTN 8 la Utito bemkhipha khona ngeface half. Uyabona nje ukuthi wayengekho happy. And then muthi yacheka la ile game eStellenbosch nje lebesidlala nje manje la Utito abekhona negoal neassist. Ucoach Wadu yazama ukumchazela ukuthi why emkhiphile. And Utito seemingly akekho happy. Uyabona nje even nange body language. Vele lento bisi iyacela na nge relationship ekhona between bona. Nala ucoach Wadu yazama ukuthi asolve okanye axazulule lento eyenzakala phakathi kwaTito noSipho. Yabo uzobona uTito akafuna ukuyizwa, vele lonto iyakubonisa ukuthi nje vele kwayena ucoach abatholene kahle, ngoba nala ubona khona uTito ethi ucoach lokho afika unenkinga naye njoba kubhaliwe nje la, as compared to under ucoach Rivero. Uyabona ukuthi even tactically le game sasidlala neStellenbosch, I think emabhidi final bebemgayi opportunity, so ukuthi ayibe eze nawe tactically input yakhe. So lento iyakutshengisa vele ama leadership styles ukuthi uTito ufrustrated under le leadership style okanye management style ka coach Wadu, because nala uyasho ukuthi after shobele penalty eCape Town City ucoach Rivero wamgaya wamtshela ukuthi next penalty abazoyithola kuzomela enze njani, kuzomela iChief na impela versus iChiefs wenza kanjalo. As I always say bafowethu, football is a game of bettings. Danko.
Now it does make sense ukuthi why coach Pirates elokhane sikazi indaba yokuhamba. Ngoba mfowethu what a season uTito abe nayo. So bafethu team is leading by 2-0 ne. And the team, they know what kind of player you are. Angitabo, they know what when you can dribble pass to a player out 5 or 4 or even more, yabo, because of bani of your skill, of your dribbling, whatever you can call it. Angitabo. And bafowethu uTito kule opportunity leyana, why nalo ithuba lokukora. Angitabo, why nalo ithuba lokukora party as wayibona striker okwakumbutho mabafowethu wazama ukushiyela yena. I-defender was quick enough ukuthi nje declaration lela bhola leliya. Going to ilontuzana i-half time, it was like uTito is saw it coming, angithi yabo, because uTito ubebheke phansi bafethu. Angizange imuzwe uTito ephimisela amagama, but uWadu wambuza wathi Tito unenkinga yini? Angithi yabo uma unenkinga woza la uzokhuluma. Angithi yabo ukhulume bekuzwe bonke. uTito wafelt like akazange esho lutho. It was like uTito ube emotional. Angithi yabo ukuthi okay manje kukhulunywa ngami. Cause bafethu uyakhala uTito uthi kanjena yini wrong mina engiyenzile yabo. Wena ever since ufikile nje ukhuluma ngami kabuhlungu. Angithi yabo bafethu ngeke yabona angazi noma bafethu mhlambe kube kuyi good intention in le enziwe coach but bafethu let's talk about this. What is your view about le video lephumile kwiOrlando Pirates? I know ukuthi vele abanye bazozama ukulontoza ukumvikela ucoach but bafethu ucoach weOrlando Pirates akazange be professional la. Okay, we understand uphuma kwiMorumo Gallants, you want to beat Morumo Gallants by amagoli amaningi but mfethu understand the situation, understand the pressure of the game, understand ukuthi i-team ayidlali yodwa yabo. Orlando Pirates bafethu uzuyasho baze bayasha abadlali bawo khona umjezi number 15 bawuneta Mjelo wamjidalo uyasho ukuthi kanjena bathi sebebuyele egamini uTito naye wase out mfethu angithi yabo but wa regroup umjida wagcina ebuyile kodwa umjida wayihethekile angithi yabo. So bafethu coach Wadu akacacisa ukuthi kahle kahle hayi ngoba efuna ukushiya, it's because of lama video bazi ukuthi asazophuma izinto negative kade ezisho abadlalini. Bafowethu, this is not professional. This is not professional. We understand you are a best coach or one of the best coach abake ba coach Orlando Pirates but mfethu awukwazi ukukhuluma nomdlali kabuhlungu kanje, especially umdlali engasho ngolutho wena asuma ukuthi usho something. No bafethu,
I just watching le documentary Orlando Pirates part 1 and a lot of things bezithethwe kula documentary bafethu, but the one thing that stood out, it was the fight between Coach Wadu no Maswanganyi. Coach coach man, no antandi lento yenze kuTito man. It was very unnecessary lando wayenze kuTito kula game because we are winning the game comfortable 2-0 wena uTito says okay he missed some chances but when instead of coming to the dressing room and being like much, they must be serious, like game sithathe serious and wonke lonto no ube calm ngoku wena ubusy ngoku ufuna ukulo kodwa we winning the game comfortably. Ngoku now you are turning off amajda onke imood ngoku off nje i-dressing room imoshile ngoku because the game was smooth yonke into imnandi abantu bajabulile wena ungayimosha ngoku because now you are coming out with your anger and as a coach you're supposed ba ucaphuke to the point ba ufuna players ukuthi uzibethe amanqindi. The fact that you had to unqande players when instead of by being unqande players, man coach man, no man, what you did it was very wrong man. And you can literally see how Tito feels ngocoach ba uthi no man lo coach lona ever since wafika apha kanifuni. Ever since wafika and siyayazi lonto kudala ke ucoach wathetha ke nge playing styles ka Tito from the start of the season. Man coach man, no man. Tito andithandi ngoTito.